Sino ang may mga Bible sa bahay? Raise your hands. Wow, ang dami. Good. Mga iba sa inyo, tatlo-tatlong TV, wala man lang Bible. Second question, ilan po ang nagbabasa ng Bible every day? Ayan na, pakunti-kunti na. Third question, how many of us live the Bible every day, guided by the Word of God? There's one little boy. Stand up. Yay! Very good. Thank you. See? Ito po ang paalaala. The Bible is the food for your soul. Naku, ang dami sa atin parang okay ka, healthy ka, pero baka malnourished ang kaluluwa because you don't read the Word of God. The Bible is the light of our feet, for our feet. Bibigyan tayo ng liwanag. And the third, the Bible is the compass for our journey. It will show us the way. Live the Bible. Read the Bible. Live the Bible.